How to fix sound only coming from the one side of your headset. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the issue related to the sound only coming from your one side of your headset. So first thing you can do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just head over to the ease of access section, where you will be seeing the option called audio inside the hearing section. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, just make sure your mono audio, this option, is turned off. Make sure it's turned off. As you can see, mono audio combines left and right audio channels into one channel, so that might be the reason you're hearing into only one side of your headset. So make sure you turn it off, turn this off. And once you do that, I want you to come over to your control panel. Simply search in for the control panel for the quick access. And once you click on your control panel, head over to hardware and sound option. Once you click on it, just click on the sound option, and as you can see, there's a recording set and playback set. So just simply click on that. Then what you need to do is simply double click on this icon, your speaker icon, and as you can see, there's an option called labels, and inside there's an option also called balance. So your issue might be due to this your right section is on 0 or your left section is on 0. So make sure you adjust this accordingly to your appropriate sound option. So once you do that, you can also do this by clicking over here like this, and once you do that, click on OK. Once you're satisfied with it, click on OK and click on apply, and once again click on OK, and that should fix your issue. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.